In today's fast-paced world, anxiety touches so many of us. So, finding quick and effective stress management tools are essential. That's partly the reason why I started this channel. So my aim for this meditation is to explore a simple yet hopefully powerful 2-minute breathing meditation to help restore calmness quickly and easily. When anxiety strikes, our bodies activate the sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight response, which often leads to shallow breathing and racing thoughts. Mindful breathing can help calm this system. So whatever you're doing right now, try and find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently and start to breathe in deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take a moment to imagine yourself in a serene environment. It could be a peaceful meadow, a calming beach, a cabin in the woods, somewhere you know you feel safe and relaxed. It might be somewhere where you've actually visited. If so, try and recall that place and visualize it as strongly as possible. It might be an imaginary place. If so, try and envisage that place as best you can. Wherever your mind takes you, it is a calming, relaxing environment. Now, bringing your attention back to your breathing, I want you to try box breathing. So, you're going to inhale slowly over a count of 4 beats. You're going to hold your breath for 4 beats. Exhale for 4 beats, and then holding your lungs empty for another 4 beats. You're going to repeat this cycle at your own pace, feeling each breath just smoothing over the edges of your emotions, inviting a sense of calmness every time you inhale and exhale. I'm going to leave you a moment of silence to do this. If you get distracted or your mind wanders, which is often the case, just try and bring your focus back to your breathing. Okay, now bring your breathing back to your normal, regular pace. Start to listen to the sounds that are around you so that you're becoming more present to your environment. And when you feel ready, you can blink your eyes open and take in your surroundings. So practicing just a few minutes of breathing meditation daily can significantly lower anxiety levels, enhancing both physical and emotional well-being. There are studies, along with personal experiences, that confirm the impact mindful breathing can have on stress relief. Thank you for joining me on this meditation. I hope you have a wonderful day.